Hello and welcome back to another tutorial from me, Louise Egan from Wordpress.com. Today I'm going to show you how to reduce the size of the space between the header and your first block of content using Visual Composer. So let's get started. So as you can see, this is my website at the moment. I have this big block of white space between where I want my header to end and my first block of content. So I really don't want that in my website. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to head on over to my dashboard. And this is where we're going to start. We're going to go to Pages. And then what you're going to do is you're going to find the page that it is you want to edit. So the page you want to take that space out on. For me, it's my front page. I'm going to go to Edit again. And here we have, you can see I'm using the WP Bakery Page Builder plugin. So this is what the framework looks like. And you're going to go to edit the first row. So make sure, this is very, very important, make sure you're editing the row and not the column or the content block. So if you hover over it, it'll say edit this row and you know you're in the right place. So if you click on this little pencil, row settings will come up and you go into design options. As you can see, I have no padding, border or margin in at the moment. So what you want to do, you want to go up to your first margin block, your top one, and even though this might look like a minus here, it's not. So you have to put in minus. It's very, very important that you do so because otherwise you'll just be adding to the space. So I have minus 45 px in now. For me, that works perfectly. That's the right amount of space that I want, but you can play around with it, see if you want more or less, etc., and find what's right for you. So we're going to save changes and we're going to preview changes. Sorry, I don't know what went wrong there. And then we're going to wait for, you can see here the old one, you have the big block of space and you can see just there as it jumped, that space is now gone. So that's exactly what I want. I want this closer to my logo, but I don't want it right up underneath my logo. So for me, this is the perfect amount of space, and that happens from playing around with it. So play around with it, see what works for you, and you'll get it eventually, and it'll look perfect. So don't forget to update your settings because otherwise it won't save. So that's perfect. Thanks very much, guys. So yeah, there you have it. It's very easy and simple to use, and if you're not using Visual Composer at the moment, I would highly recommend that you do because it'll make your life an awful lot easier. So if you'd like to get Visual Composer, you can get it using the link in the description, and if you'd like to check out my WordPress course, you can just click the button right here. So thanks very much, guys, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you next time.